Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I package my orders for my business, the Glow Keys. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I just start out with a regular box. Until I get my custom boxes, this will do. So this customer ordered my unscented shea butter and my Love Struck body butter as well. So everybody who purchased on the launch day received a free gift. So this person received some lip balm and an unscented body butter. When I package my body butters, I do use an ice pack. And that shiny paper that you see is actually some Mylar, what do you call it? Like those emergency blankets, but they're insulation blankets. So I just bought like a pack of those. It came with a pack of 10 on Amazon, and I just use that to wrap my body butter up in along with a piece of dry ice. So I do that so that my body butter does not melt during transit, and it's been pretty successful. Now, I'm not going to talk too much during the making of this video. I'll go through the first package, but the other packaging is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just putting some cute wrapping paper in the box. My color scheme is pink, black, white, and holographic. So yeah, and my business is called the Glow Keys. And so I try to make my theme around locks and keys as well. So I'm just trying to stay along that as far as branding in my packaging. I got my organza bags off of Amazon. I believe it came a pack for like $7 for a pack of 100. So that's pretty good, and they are 6x4, so they're pretty big. This customer ordered our turmeric and cinnamon brightening bar, as well as our hemp seed facial serum. And as we also got our rose hip lip gloss. Instead of just putting that serum and the lip gloss in a bag, I decided to go ahead and put it in this little Mylar baggie. It was holographic, and I thought it was super cute, and it goes along with my theme, so that worked out perfectly. So like I said, my theme is lock and key. So I give them a little skeleton key with a encouraging note to go with it. I'm just putting that in there so that things don't move around and everything just stays secure. But first, I'm gonna put my cute little confetti paper. And by the way, as you can see, I am wearing gloves, and my workstation was properly sanitized and my hands were washed and everything before I began packaging. I just want to mention that because safety and cleanliness is very important to me. I made these stickers off using an Avery template. They came out real cute, and it's just a little sticker that goes along with my brand. And it says GlowGetter Official. Yes, Queen, GlowGetter Official. Because that's what I like to call people who purchase or who support my business, GlowGetters. If you're interested in how I made these thank you cards, comment down below and I will make a video on how I did that. But those are just thank you cards, and it contains a discount, for future purchases, as well as my business card. So that is that package. I also made these clear stickers using the Avery sticker paper. Since I have just a plain craft box, I just went ahead and put my logo on there just to jazz it up a bit until I'm able to get custom boxes. Now, as you can see, these boxes, I did a little bit of zhuzh too. I put some holographic paper in there as well as my logo. So if you are interested in learning how I did that, comment down below and I could make a video about that as well. But I'm going to go ahead and stop talking. All of the products that I'm packaging will have a picture by it so you can see exactly what it is. So enjoy.